guys, what is up, and welcome back to my channel, my beautiful friends. If you are not yet a subscriber, do not fret, it is okay. You can go ahead and click that subscribe button, join the family, let us be friends, and let's connect. So in today's video I will be doing a review. I recently got this bad boy in the mail from Glamlite Cosmetics. This is their first palette and I have so many things to tell you guys. So basically this palette has 16 shades. We have 9 beautiful matte shades, 4 metallic shades, and 3 diamond glitter soft cream shades. Okay? Okay. So I think let's not waste any time chit-chatting. Without further ado, if you guys are interested in seeing these shades in action and hearing my honest thoughts and opinions, or if you just want to hang out with me, that is also cool. Keep on watching, let the games begin, and let's get started. So I've already done one eye off camera, so it's definitely time to go ahead and zoom in so we can get started with this other eye. Alright you guys, so the first shade I'm taking is called Sunset Boulevard. So I'm going to go ahead and add Sunset Boulevard in my crease region, and this is going to serve as my transition shade for this look today. I usually end up gravitating towards shades like Sunset Boulevard for my transition shade just because they do such a great job as a transition shade for me. So it's already a plus having this shade in the palette. So the next shade I'll be taking is Slay. So I'm going to be placing Slay underneath Sunset Boulevard, and this is going to serve as my second transition shade. Y'all catch my drift, you know what I'm talking about. And I'm going to drag this shade out so we can start doing the shape for our cut crease. Dipping into the shade Chocolate Bay, so I'm just going to go ahead and intensify the crease region using Chocolate Bay, and we're also going to start adding definition to this crease. We're going to take the shade #Melanin. Now I'm really going to start adding that definition to this crease. You want to make sure that you are adding this depth slightly above where you're going to be cutting your crease so you can still see this intensity right here. So I'm just going in with the shade Slay because I felt like we kind of lost the shade there when we started to intensify things, so we're just going to put a little bit of Slay back. So it's time to cut our crease, and I'm taking my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC30, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut above my natural crease. Towards the end, I'm slightly going to swoop down and then out. Now you just want to fill this in, fill in the cut crease. I'm taking a clean brush to just go ahead and remove this excess concealer. Because I don't want my finger to smudge the line, I'm taking a clean brush to do so. So I'll be taking the shade Giselle. So I'm going to go ahead and pack the shade Giselle in my inner and outer corners. I'm going to take the shade Kalia. I'm going to go ahead and pack Kalia in the center of my lid. For a little bit more intensity, I just went ahead and took the shade Wet. So now I'm taking my waterproof eyeliner in the shade Dark Side from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just going to line my lower lash line and my waterline. We are taking the shade #Melanin. So I'm just taking #Melanin on my lower lash line to go ahead and buff out this eyeliner. I'm taking a little bit of Miracle, and I'm putting Miracle in my inner corner for that highlight action. So I'm taking my Ballet glitter glue and some glitter from Safai. So I'm going to go ahead and place the glitter down right on top of where we cut the crease. Okay, so we're pretty much done here. I'm going to go ahead and do my winged eyeliner and eyelashes off camera. For eyelashes today, I will be using the Sasha Lashes from Huda Beauty. I will be right back. You guys, how cute is this look that we got going on? So I'm back with the lashes on, eyeliner done. So it's definitely time to go ahead and finish up the rest of this look. So to do that, the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and bronze. And I am slipping back into my old ways. I'm going to take the shade Fulani from the Masquerade palette. We're just gonna put some warmth back into the face. It is definitely time to go ahead and jump into this contour, and I am taking Ebony from Joe Blasco, and we are just gonna cut out some cheekbones, okay? So I found a new favorite for blush, and I am taking the Blush Trio from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is Peachy Love. Wow, I've really been sleeping on the peach tones for blush. Like, I really like the orange, but like peach. So I'll be taking the shade Miami and Ginger, and I'm gonna mix them. We're just gonna fall in love with the colors that will be going on our cheeks. Let me go ahead and pop them on our cheeks so I can show you guys. Like, right guys? Like, look at this peach. Gosh, I gotta keep exploring my options because good things happen. I'm sorry, we're just gonna be extra because I've really been liking the dimension that I get, the blinding that I get when I layer my highlights. So that is exactly what we're gonna do today, folks. I am taking the OG, the Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1, and we are taking the shade Lila first to go ahead and glow it up, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, now presenting the Amarizi highlighter palette. We're just, I show you guys every single time because just wow, right there, keep it focused. So we're just gonna place this right, yeah, pop it. Pop it, pop it, pop it, right there. So it is definitely time to move into the lip portion of the video, and so for lips today I am going to be taking my Nabi lip pencil in the shade Espresso, which is basically like chestnut from MAC, which I just can't find my pencil. And then I'll be taking the matte lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is in the shade Cool Brown. So go ahead and get this on our lips. So I'm just going to take the shade Honey, also from Anastasia Beverly Hills, also matte. Should I do a little swatch for you guys? So that is Honey right here. So I think it's time to get into some of the details about this palette. So we are talking about the Masterpiece Eyeshadow Palette from Glamlite Cosmetics. So let's talk about the packaging for a second. Now, I know this is matte packaging, but because it is black, this will be easy to clean and keep clean, alright, which is always great. So inside we have, first, you guys, look at the shape of this mirror. How cute is the shape of the mirror? Oh my god, super cute. Makes you feel like a queen while you are slaying. So in this palette, we have 16 shades. We have 9 matte shades, 4 metallic shades, and 3 of their diamond soft cream formulated eyeshadow shades. So taking a look at this palette, the color choices that they made are absolutely fabulous. If you're into neutrals, I think this is a great palette for you. This is a great addition. You've got your orangey, earthy tones. You've got some reds in here, something that's almost like cinnamon. So I had a really great time working with these eyeshadows today. It was very easy to use. The pigmentation is there. The quality of the eyeshadows are there. The consistency. So these eyeshadows are really buttery. Like, I think the best way to describe the matte texture is like the Modern Renaissance palette and the Soft Glam palette. The texture of these shades are like cream. Like, oh my goodness, it is so smooth. Also, the pigmentation is right up there with the quality, okay? So like, pigment is almost everything, almost. The blendability of these shades, they work wonders with each other. I'm very happy with the way everything blended out. I didn't see any weird oxidization or any patchiness. it went well. It went really well, very smoothly. The only thing I can say that I did notice was some fallout. Ain't nothing a little sweep of the brush can't fix. So this palette does retail for $35, okay? And I know to some of you that is just like, what's this? 35 of my coins? Well, listen, guess what? They were kind enough to give me a discount code. You can go ahead and use it, and it will save you 20% off of their entire site. So if you were just going on there just to snag this bad boy right here, it would end up being $28 for 16 shades. Oh, may I mention that these beautiful eyeshadows are not your average pan size. They're bigger than average. Let me go ahead and show y'all. This is just a single shadow that I have. I just want to show you guys. So, you know, you are getting a little bit more than your average. I definitely think for all my natural gals out there and everyone that loves neutrals, this is probably a really great palette to travel with, because you do have your mirror, alright? You do have great 16 shades. You have all the neutrals you need. You have all the shimmers you need. If you don't mind not having color, like if you are just like, listen, I just need neutrals for this quick weekend getaway, this is probably the palette that you want to travel with. Like this is your masterpiece palette. Like this is it, you guys. You guys did it. Glamlite, you did the darn thing. Alright, so this brings us to the end of today's video. I want to thank you guys so much for joining me on this one today. If you enjoyed today's review / tutorial, you already know the drill. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. Feel free to drop some comments down below, share this video. For anyone that was watching this video today and you just fell in love with the palette today and you want to grab your hands on this, they were gracious enough to give me a discount code of 20% off their entire site. That means you get to save 20% of your hard-earned coins. So that will be linked down below in my description box, as well as all the products used in today's video. And while we are talking about the description box, if you guys want to see me on Snapchat, Instagram, and on Twitter, you guys already know what's in the description box for you. If you are still here watching and you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead and click that subscribe button, join the family, let us be friends. For all of my beautiful, amazing, pre-existing subscribers, you like pat on the back, you guys. Thank you so much for being here with me on this makeup journey that we're going on together. I want to invite you guys to go ahead and click that bell button so you are notified every single time I upload a new video. I do not want you to miss the new slayage, okay? That's pretty much all for today, you guys. Thank you so much once again for joining, and I will see you beautiful and amazing people in my next video.